everyone. This is Swati and जैसा कि हम पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि हाउ बिजनेस मार्केट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कंज्यूमर मार्केट, तो आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि बिजनेस बाइंग प्रोसेस इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द कंज्यूमर बाइंग प्रोसेस as they adopted different marketing strategies. So here we are going to study the stages in the business buying process. So the first one is problem recognition. So here a certain problem is recognized by someone in the organization. यहाँ पे need arise हुई और need recognized हुई that we are going to need it, that we are going to purchase it. Okay, so here a certain problem is recognized by someone in the organization. Now the second one is general need description, which says when a clear need has been identified by the organization, so here general characteristics and requirements, that is at what quantity of product is required by the organization, is cleared about here. So that general need description में क्या identify करते हैं? The characteristics and requirement को clear करते हैं. Third one is product specification. Here prepare the detailed list of technical specification of the product has been done in the step 3. Then moving on to the fourth one, supplier search. In this, organization searches the supplier. यहाँ पे supplier search करते हैं organizations in order to make a purchase with the best one that can give them the best meet the specification of the required product, जो कि best meet कर रहे हैं उनके specification of the required product से, तो उन suppliers को वो search out करेंगे. Then the fifth one is proposal solicitation. So in this the suppliers are asked to submit their proposal. यहाँ पे suppliers को बोला जाता है to submit their proposals. Okay, then sixth one is selection of suppliers. At this stage the final supplier is selected. याद रखना है आपको कि proposal solicitation के बाद 6th step पे final supplier जो है वो आपका select हो चुका है. Okay, final supplier is selected from the list of suppliers. So on these parameters, like that they offered quality product, they delivered the product on the time, they and at reasonable price also, and their past reputation matters here, right? कि वो supplier की reputation market में कैसी है, उसकी past reputation या experience को देखकर supplier यहाँ पे select हो जाएगा finally. Then 7th step is order routine specification. यहाँ पे आपको ये याद रखना है that here all has been prepared, the supplier, the delivery time of the product, its quantity, the product required, the price of the product, everything is being prepared accurately. तो सारी की सारी चीजें यहाँ पे पूरी तरीके से prepare हो चुकी हैं. ठीक है, चाहे वो delivery time हो, चाहे वो quantity हो, delivery time, supplier, the product and the price of the product, सब कुछ यहाँ पे select हो चुका है, prepared हो चुका है. And the last stage of buying process is performance review. Here the performance of the supplier is reviewed by the buying organization. यहाँ पे buying organization क्या करती है? Performance उसका major review लेती है. So mainly the consumer satisfaction serves as the basis of performance services. It helps in making future decision of the business. तो यहाँ पे reviews लेती है. ये यहाँ पे आपको 8 stages अच्छे से याद होने चाहिए. What are the 8 stages in that business organization is taken in the business buying process? So first one is problem recognition, where need is arises. Then general need description, where the requirement, what is required by the organization, what are the characteristics of that product and services. Then the third one is product specification, which is specified by the technical person. Then supplier search, here the list of supplier and the list of suppliers being provided to the organization, where the requirement match and selected the best one who can match the product requirement. And then proposal solicitation, here all suppliers has been asked to submit their proposal. Then the supplier selection is the final selection where the supplier is being selected on the basis of the product they offer, on the basis of their past reputation and experiences, and as they deliver the product on the time and as well as at the reasonable price that matters here. Then order routine specification, all the things has been prepared accurately and efficiently, effectively. And then performance review is the last stage. You have to know this, that the performance review is the last stage of buying process where the consumer satisfaction, right, where the consumer satisfaction serves as the basis of performance reviews, and it helps in making the future decision of the business. So thank you for watching this. For further updates, please subscribe to our channel.